I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, a little bit of the Essentials palette, and we're going to make a look with that. So let's get started. So for my base, I am going to do, oopsie, I want to do like a pinkish to like a darkish pink to a light pink on my eye. What did we do? We already did a color with orange, like a sunset orange in another video. And then in another video, we did a color with bluish, beautiful blue. And then in this video, we're gonna do pink. I wanna do this because my daughter loves pink. Sorry about the flies, guys. They're actually fruit flies. I hate fruit flies. Why are they here? Why do they exist? But anyway, so let's make the base with our Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Let's make that base the Wigglies. Okay, with another brush, we're gonna go ahead and do, let's put on some eye base so that our pink will come out nice and bright. Alright guys, so now we're gonna do, with that Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, we're gonna do the Supreme. I like it. I like the Supreme. You can see it is nice and pink. I haven't used this one before, so let's see how it works. We're just gonna pat that on there above, right on top of that eye base. Alright, so now that we have that on there, let's use another brush. Alright, so now we're going to do, I would like to do the Zam. We're going to do that in the corner. Okay, let's go back to our first brush we were using. And with that one we had Wigglies. Where are you, first brush? Found you. Okay. Use a bit more Wigglies over there and blend it out. No, I just put it in Zam. I always do that. Okay, I want to use pinker on the outer layer, if that makes sense. I really want to use pinker, which is next to Supreme, as my dark on the outer layer. Okay, that definitely brings out that color a little bit more. I don't know if can you guys see that? So I'm definitely going to zoom in here so you can really see. And I'm just patting it on to give it that dark layer on the outskirts right there. See? Okay. So let's add some liner. My favorite part, and I'm going to use the pencil. I'm sorry, I'm not using a pencil, I'm using liquid. Okay, so I did use the liquid. Alright, while that one dries, let's go ahead and do our foundation. Okay guys, so that's the look for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll have a full detailed list of everything that I used in the description box. Make sure you check out some of my other videos, and don't forget that I will be trying my best to post every single day besides Sundays. Sundays I have off. Sundays I like to take the day. So here's more of a detailed look. I love it. I like the look. Thank you guys. Have a good one.